Good morning. It is early. I am in dressing gown, my DG. It's peeing down outside. Today was meant to be the 180k like Rafa ride. However, that's been called off because the weather is just so crap. So I'm gonna go do a park run instead. Ooh, a little bit of running. So I thought I would take you along with me for the day and just hang out, just come along, see what I'm up to on a day where I'm not riding bikes. So right, I better go and get changed. Get in the old kit. I'm here, it is chucking it down. I'm gonna go and see a couple of my lovely friends I used to work with at the MEN. So it's Charlotte and Becca. What the hell's she gone? Where have you gone?
Yeah, this is actually going to be quite a big regret, isn't it? Oh,
Why has she got a vest on?
You always...
How are you? I'm good, how are you?
Aww, what a nice surprise.
God, that was so wet and cold. Park run in winter though, or running in winter is where it's at for outdoor exercise. My hands are so cold. Get sprinting! Do it! Oh, I'm now regretting not bringing anything to get changed into, and I'm like, oh, I wonder if I've got anything in my boot. All I've got is a pair of overshoes, a high-vis tabard. So now I'm going to go for breakfast with Charlotte and Becca. So I didn't get the camera out at breakfast, we were just chatting away, and I don't know, sometimes I just feel a bit like, I just don't want to chuck a camera in their face. I've not seen him for a while, so I didn't want to be like, hey, let's get the camera on. So it is so cold, I've got like goosebumps because it's bloody freezing, it's raining still, so I'm going to head home. And then I guess I'll see you in a little bit, but oh my god, look how red my nose is. That bloody mozzie bite's still there though. Just had an email, I've got a delivery, an Amazon delivery, the post office, but the post office closes at 12:30. It's about 25 past. I got it! God, it was so cold. My feet are freezing and wet. Microphone. This is like a new, well, I'll say new this year. It's basically a wireless mic system. I think it's like, I've actually paid full price because I bought it off Amazon. I think it's like £150. Basically, it's like a transmitter, basically a wireless. So you put one part on the camera and one part is either a clip mic or you can put like a lapel mic. So I'm very excited to try that, only because when I am doing stuff and I'm further away from the camera, I don't think that the audio is that good. So if I'm going to do like a bike review or if I'm going to do like an interview with somebody, it's just, yeah. What is, oh, that's what was rattling. Oh yeah, I like the look of these. I'm going to go play around with these for a little bit. I've got videos to edit, so I'll catch up with you in a little bit. So it's edited and now I'm going to go and get my gym kit on because I'm going to the gym. I know, I mean there's no cycling but there's been running and the gym. I mean, what is going on?
Whoa.